Welcome viewers. Today we'll start coordinate geometry. In this video, we'll try to cover half of your chapters, main problems, formulas, distance formula, section formula. For standard 10 we are doing. देखो इसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस लेते हैं एक्स ओ एक्स डैश एंड वाई ओ वाई डैश। मान लो दो पॉइंट है ए और बी। ए का कोऑर्डिनेट है x1 y1, बी का कोऑर्डिनेट है x2 y2। यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए बी। अब क्या करते हैं, ए से परपेंडिकुलर ए एल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, बी से बी एम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं और ए से ए एन परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। ओब्वियसली तुम देख रहे हो ए एन एम एल इज ए रेक्टेंगल। क्यों बोल रहे हैं हमको दो तीन चीज का इसमें जरूरत है। ए एल इज इक्वल टू एम एन और ए एन इज इक्वल टू योर एल एम। ठीक है, मतलब ये इसके बराबर है, ये इसके बराबर है। ठीक है, क्लियर। नाउ आई हैव टेकन what is OL? OL is equal to your x1 and what is your OM? OM is equal to your x2. Now what is LM? LM can be written as OM minus OL. So this is equal to x2 minus x1. Now LM is equal to AN. So AN is equal to x2 minus x1. Clear? Is it clear? I think it is very clear to you because AN is the opposite side of the rectangle LM. We have drawn the perpendicular. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Obviously, the fourth angle will be also 90 degree. This is a rectangle. Now, BM is equal to y2 and AL is equal to your y1. Now what is BN? BN is equal to BM minus MN. But what is MN? MN is equal to AL. MN is equal to AL. Instead of MN, I can write AL. So BM is equal to Y2 minus Y1. एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए. This is whole Y2. This is Y1. So I have taken this will be equal to Y2 minus Y1. Now in the triangle, what is the triangle ABN? This is 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. I can say that AB square is equal to BN square plus AN square. What is BN square and what is BN square? Just now we have taken BN square. BN square is equal to Y2 minus Y1 whole square. BN. What is AN square? AN is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square. So what is your distance formula? AB is equal to y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Children will need this formula off and on, so please learn this formula for your exam. For solving the problems, you learn this formula. Will use this formula. So what is the distance formula? AB is equal to y2 minus y1 plus x2 minus x1 square. हम कहाँ से लाए हैं? AB square is equal to BN square plus AN square. BN square plus AN square. This is from Pythagoras theorem. I have used the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can use this one, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Now, there is another thing, if a line is divided in the ratio m is to n, AP by PB is equal to m by n. What is the coordinate of PXY? XY का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? AB is a straight line. आपको P एक पॉइंट है which divides in the ratio m is to n. इसका आपको निकालना है कि ये किस रेशियो में डिवीजन करता है. तो आपका कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है x and y के लिए. This is known as section formula, very useful. You will use this off and on in this chapter coordinate geometry. This is the first video of the coordinate geometry. हम इसके बाद भी वीडियो देंगे. ये दोनों फॉर्मूला को एकदम याद करके रखिए. ये गिवन है AP by PB is equal to 1. Now A से हम AL परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किए हैं, P से PN, B से BN. Now देखो ARP and PSB are similar triangle. Triangle ARBP is similar to triangle PSB. They are similar. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. These two are perpendicular. This angle is same. So the triangles are similar. Now, in the similar triangle, you know the sides are proportional. So AP by PB is equal to AR divided by PS is equal to PR divided by BS. ये हो. Now what is PR? What is, first let us take what is AR. AR is what? AR can be written as ON minus OL. So this is X minus OL is X and this is X1. So X minus X1. What is PS? PS is nothing but OM minus ON. OM is X2 minus X. What is BS? BS can be written as BM minus MS. And again MS can be written as BM minus PN. So this is Y2 minus Y1. Y. What is PR? PR is equal to PN minus RN. Again, PN is alright, but for instead of RN, I can write AN. So this is Y minus Y1. Now just put these values. AP by PB is given M by N. M by N, this is equal to AR by PS. AR is equal to X minus X1 divided by X2 minus X equal to PR. PR is Y minus Y1 and this is Y2 minus Y. Now first हम ये दोनों को लेके करते हैं, हम यहाँ पर कर देते हैं आपको M by N. हम एक सम भी करेंगे, हम रब कर लेंगे. M by N is equal to X minus X1 divided by X2 minus X. So I can write M X2 minus X is equal to N X minus X1. So I can write MX2 minus MX is equal to NX minus NX1. So I can take X in one side. MX plus NX is equal to mx2 plus nx1. So I can take x common. So m plus n is equal to mx2 plus nx1. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Students, this is your first coordinate you have taken out. Next, to find y, I am rubbing this one. This is AP by PB is equal to AR by PS equal to PR by BS. PR by BS. So this portion I am just to rub this one. Next, M by N is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. So I can write my2 minus my is equal to ny minus ny1. So this can be written as my plus ny, taking in one side y, and this is my2 plus ny1. So take y common, m plus n is equal to my2 plus ny1. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So this coordinate, value of the coordinate of, this is the value of y. So y is given by my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, and x is given by myx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Now there is a question based on it. This formula you will learn, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. This formula you will learn, because I have to rub that one. Now here it is a triangle A minus 80, B 016, C 00 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. I am just drawing with a rough draw. This is a rough draw without scale. Without scale means I am not measuring it. ABC in the coordinate axis, you measure it and draw in a rough graph paper. ABC, this is A is given minus 80, B 016 and C 00. That means the triangle should be from the vertices to the downwards. Point P lies on AB. Let it be P. It divides in the ratio 3:5, and Q is a point also 3 divides the AQ by QB is in the ratio of 3:5. Show that PQ is equal to 3 by 8 BC. We'll use these two formula. That's why I have taken this formula. Now how to find the coordinate of P? Let the coordinate of P be x1, y1 and x2, y2. AP by PB is equal to 3, 5. So I can write this 3, 5. 3:5. AP by PB is equal to 3 by 5. Now you can take the formula x. What is here? I am taking from I am finding first the coordinate of P. So x1. x1 will be equal to m into x2. 5 into minus 8 plus 3 into 0 divided by 5 plus 3. So this is minus 40 divided by 8. This is minus 5. What is y1? y1 is equal to m into x2. M is here 5. M into y2. y2 is 0. 5 into 0 plus 3 into 16 divided by 8. So this is 3 into 16 by 8. That means this is 6. The coordinate of P is minus 5, 6. What is the coordinate of Q? Let us find the coordinate of Q. So this is the coordinate x2 will be equal to, here we have taken x2, m into x2, m into x2. 5 into minus 8 plus 0 into 3 divided by 8. So this is equal to minus 5. Now what is y2? y2 is equal to y2 is equal to 0 into 5 plus 3 into 0 divided by 8. So this is 0. So qx2 y2 is equal to your minus 5, 0. Now what is the distance PQ? Now I will use this formula. PQ is equal to under root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So PQ is equal to under root, I can take this x1, I have got minus 5 minus 5. So minus 5 minus minus plus 5 whole square, that means this is 0 plus 6 minus 0. So this is 6. PQ is equal to 6. What about BC? BC is also under root y2 minus y1 स्क्वायर प्लस x2 माइनस x1 स्क्वायर. हमने पहले x2 माइनस x1 स्क्वायर भी ले सकते हैं, y2 माइनस y1 भी ले सकते हैं. दिस इज कम्यूटेटिव रूल. तो नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? 0 माइनस 0. 0 माइनस 0 इज नथिंग, हैव टू ओडी. Then this is 16 minus 0 whole squared. So this is 16. So now I have to prove that PQ is equal to 3 by 8 of BC. Now PQ is equal to 6 I got. So this, let me see whether it is coming 3 by 8 of BC. BC is equal to 16. So 3 by 8 of 16 is 6. So our answer is correct. So this is PQ is 6 and this is 16. We have proved that, show that PQ is equal to 3 by 8 of BC. PQ is equal to 6. So BC is 3 by 8 of PQ. PQ I got 3 by 8 of BC is PQ. So I got PQ is as 6. So our answer is correct. Children, ये कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो है. आपको कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में अगर कुछ और पूछना है तो आप ज़रूर पूछिए. मेन दो फॉर्मूला आपको याद करके रखना है. इसके बाद हम लोग सेंट्रॉइड करेंगे. प्लीज़ स्टे विथ मी, शेयर विथ माय चैनल, लाइक इट एंड सब्सक्राइब इट.